Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add what the phone extension to your Google Chrome. So this is the free find any phone just in one click. So you can use this as a phone identifier on the any web page. Phone Checker will help you find phone in one click, identify phone in a fast way. So tailored for web designer, marketers, web developers, freelancer, design enthusiasts, typography enthusiasts. So here let's try this powerful tool by click add to Chrome, add extension. So just wait the process, and this is what the phone. Now you have an easy way to find phones on websites. Attach the extension to have quick access function. This one. To give an excellent access to the site, click it. So let's click the Wikipedia. For example, let's open this one, the Battle of Baghdad's River, 240 before century. Let's try what font that Wikipedia use. Just click what the font Wikipedia. This text use Linux Libertine, Georgia Times, Serif Pro, and this one also sans serif. And here we go, this one Linux Libertine, and so on. So you can open the web page first, open the website first, then click the what the font in order to identify the fonts that sites used. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.